Hello everyone, welcome to the Edexcel Hub. Today we will be learning Movement and Position, which is Chapter 1 from the Unit 1, Forces and Motion. So in this video, we will be discussing the difference between scalar and vector quantities, speed calculations, distance time graphs, velocity time graphs, and acceleration. Let us begin by understanding this difference between scalar and vector quantities. Scalar. Scalar is a quantity that has a magnitude, but no particular direction is described. For example, distance and speed. Vector. Vector is a quantity that has a magnitude, and it also acts in a particular direction. For example, displacement and velocity. Speed. Speed is a scalar quantity as discussed previously, and it is calculated by dividing the distance that the object has traveled by the amount of time taken to do so. We use metric units to measure and calculate speed, and the metric unit for speed is meters. Distance time graphs. In a distance time graph, the x-axis shows the time taken, the y-axis shows the distance traveled, the slope or the gradient shows the speed, and the steeper the slope, the faster the speed. Velocity. Velocity is a vector quantity, and it is measured by dividing the displacement of an object by the time taken. We use metric units to measure and calculate velocity, and the metric unit for velocity is meter per second. Velocity time graphs. In a velocity time graph, the x-axis shows the time taken, the y-axis shows the velocity, the slope or the gradient shows the acceleration of the object, and the area under the graph determines the distance traveled by the object. Acceleration. Acceleration is the rate at which an object changes its velocity. It is measured in meters per second squared. And when acceleration decreases, it is called deceleration. We use two formulas for calculating acceleration. This concludes today's lesson. Thank you.